Our family trip to Las Vegas starts now. We are almost there. I can see the city in the daylight. Are you ready? We made it, team! Welcome to Las Vegas. Can you hear that sound?
It's so noisy, Daddy!
All right, family, let's head to the exit.
I'm so excited for our vacation. Wow, look at all the people!
Here we are. Let's go outside.
I'll call an Uber to take us to our hotel on the Strip.
Great idea, honey.
Yay, the Strip!
Hi there! Are you available? We need a ride to the Venetian Resort. All right, let's head to the taxi stand.
Yay! I can't wait. Me too, sweetie. It's going to be fun.
Here we are. Our taxi is pulling up. Perfect timing.
Wow, a taxi!
I can put your suitcases in the trunk.
Oh, thank you so much.
That would be great.
Thank you.
Good morning. Ready to go?
Yes, thank you. Here you go.
I'll get this one.
All set. Let's get you seated.
Yay, let's go to the beach!
Okay, sweetie, let's get in.
All right, here we go. Thank you.
Ben, honey, make sure to buckle up your seatbelt. Yes, Mommy.
First time in Vegas?
Yes.
It's our first time as a family. We want to show our son the lights and the shows.
Mr. Driver, why are there so many big buildings?
Well, kiddo, those are world-famous hotels. Look to your left, that's the Luxor. It looks like a giant Egyptian pyramid.
Wow, a real pyramid. Can we go inside?
It's beautiful, honey. Wow, it's even bigger than it looks in photos. Is the traffic bad today?
It's a bit congested on the Strip because of a concert tonight, but I'll take a shortcut through the back roads to save time.
Good thinking. By the way, do you have any recommendations for a family-friendly show? Definitely, you should check out Oh by Cirque du Soleil. It's a water show and kids love the acrobatics.
I want to see the acrobats. Can we go, Daddy?
We'll see, buddy. Here we are. How much is the fare, please?
We're almost there.
That will be $25. Here's $30.
Thank you. Have a wonderful stay in Las Vegas.
Thank you so much. Wow, Las Vegas is so cool.
It really is. Thanks again. Enjoy your stay.
Good afternoon. We'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under Jack.
Welcome to the Venetian. Let me find your booking. Yes, here it is. A luxury king suite for 4 nights. That's us. Since it's our first time here, could we possibly have a suite with a view of the Grand Canal? I'll check that for you. You're in luck. I have a suite available on a high floor with a beautiful view of the canals and the gondolas.
Wow, Dad, everything is so shiny. Is this real gold?
It certainly looks like it, Ben. This hotel is designed to look like a palace in Venice, Italy.
Wow, a palace.
It is beautiful, isn't it? Now, I just need your ID and a credit card for the security deposit.
Here you go. Also, we are interested in the gondola rides. Can we book them here?
Of course, let me check availability for you. You can book those at the Emporio di Gondola inside the mall. Here are your key cards. You are in room 28105. Thank you. Which way are the elevators? The elevators are just to your right, down that hallway. Just head past the Great Hall and turn left at the Golden Fountain. The bellman will help you with your bags.
Let's go. I want to see the fake sky everyone talks about.
Thanks for your help. Have a good day. Right this way to room 28105. Here we are. Enjoy your stay.
Welcome to our home for the next 4 days.
Wow, this room is gorgeous. It looks like a palace.
It's absolutely breathtaking.
Look at that view.
A real gondola.
It's so elegant. But wait, Ben, come to the window. Look at this. Oh my goodness, Dad, Mom, there's a river right outside our window and people are singing on boats. I know, it's incredible.
Amazing. That's the Grand Canal, Ben. Those boats are called gondolas. See the men in striped shirts and straw hats? They are the gondoliers.
It looks so romantic. The water is so blue and the architecture makes me feel like we really are in Italy. Can we go down there now? I want to wave at the people on the boats. Of course, sweetie.
Let's unpack our luggage first. The bellman should be here any minute. Then we'll go down to the canal shops for a walk and some gelato.
Sounds wonderful, honey. Gelato, yay!
That sounds like a plan. I need to take a video of this view to show Grandma. It's breathtaking.
Look, a gondolier is waving back at me. Hello? Hello?
You're already making friends in Venice, buddy. This is going to be an unforgettable trip.
Wow, hi gondoliers.
Look at this place. I still can't believe we are indoors. The ceiling looks exactly like a real blue sky with clouds.
It's amazing, isn't it? The temperature is always perfect here, no matter how hot it is outside in the desert.
Daddy, look, a statue. But wait, did it just move?
That's a living statue, Ben. It's a street performer dressed in gold. If you put a small tip in his basket, he might change his pose.
Whoa, he bowed to me. He's so cool. He's the coolest statue ever.
That's incredible, buddy.
He must really like you.
Oh, look at that gelato shop over there. Should we get some Italian ice cream?
Yes, please, I want chocolate flavor.
2 scoops of chocolate for Ben, and I'll try the pistachio. Emma, what about you?
The strawberry sounds lovely. I'll go with strawberry. Let's sit by the canal so we can watch the gondolas pass by while we eat.
Daddy, I hear someone singing.
That's a gondolier singing an Italian opera. It's called O Sole Mio. Listen to how powerful his voice is.
It's beautiful. This feels so peaceful. Las Vegas isn't just about bright lights, it's about these beautiful moments too.
This ice cream is so yummy.
It is, sweetie. Enjoy it.
All right, let's head to the hotel room. The view is amazing.
Oh man, my feet are killing me. I didn't realize we walked so much.
Me too. But it was worth it. The canal shops were beautiful. Ben, are you tired?
A little bit, Mommy. But I want to jump on this big bed. It's like a cloud.
No jumping on the bed, honey. Why don't you take a small nap? We have a big night ahead at the high roller.
She's right, buddy. Let's rest.
Okay, the high roller?
I think I'll just close my eyes for 20 minutes. Emma, do you want to order some room service later?
Maybe just some snacks and fruit. I want to save our appetite for a nice dinner on the strip later.
Dad, can I watch some cartoons on the big TV?
Sure, buddy. Here is the remote control. But keep the volume low so Mommy and I can rest a bit.
The sun is starting to set. The city lights are beginning to twinkle. It's so peaceful up here.
You're right. Vegas looks different from up here. Let's recharge our batteries for an hour.
Okay, wake me up when it's time for the giant wheel.
Look at that, Ben. We are here. The high roller is the largest observation wheel in North America. It's over 550 feet tall.
Whoa, it's too big. Daddy goes all the way in the clouds. Beautiful.
It really is.
Are you ready to go on it?
Yeah.
Isn't it magnificent? The cabins look like little bubbles glowing in the dark.
I don't want to go. I'm scared. What if it stops at the very top?
Don't worry, buddy. It's perfectly safe.
We'll be right here.
It's okay to be scared, buddy, but look, it moves very, very slowly. You can barely feel it moving.
And we will be inside a big glass room, not hanging outside. We'll be right there with you, holding your hands.
But it's so high. What if I fall?
That's impossible, Ben. It's super safe. From the top, you can see all the lights of Las Vegas. It looks like a sea of diamonds. Do you want to see the diamonds?
A sea of diamonds?
Yes! And look at the other kids getting on. They are smiling and waving. They aren't scared because they know it's a fun adventure.
Tell you what, if you feel too scared inside, you can just close your eyes and hug me. Deal?
Okay, deal. But you have to hold my hand really tight, okay?
Of course, sweetie. Let's go buy the tickets. You are a brave boy.
That's right, buddy. Let's go. Wow, look, the door is closing. We are starting to go up.
Is it shaking, Daddy? I feel a bit dizzy. It's okay, sweetie. Just hold on tight.
Look at the view. We're going higher.
Don't look down at your feet, Ben. Look out at the horizon. See the Eiffel Tower over there? It's glowing.
Oh, it looks like a toy tower, and the cars on the street look like tiny ants.
Exactly. Now we are at the very top. This is the highest point. Look, you can see the whole Las Vegas Strip.
It's so breathtaking. The lights look like colorful candy scattered on the ground. Wow, so cool.
I'm not scared anymore, Mommy. It's like we are flying in a giant bubble.
That's my brave boy. Let's take a family photo right here at the top. Smile and say Vegas.
That's a wonderful idea.
Vegas!
Wow, look at all those lights. It's magical.
It really is. Perfect night for this.
Honey, look at the city lights. Wow, so many pretty lights.
It is beautiful. Let's go see.
Come on, sweetie. Yeah, let's go.
Stay close, buddy.
That was awesome. Did you see how small the cars look from up there? They look like my toy cars.
See, I told you it wasn't scary. You were so brave, Ben. You even looked out the window at the very top.
I'm so proud of you, sweetie. You conquered your fear. Now you have a great story to tell your friends back home.
Mommy, I think my tummy is making a noise. I'm starving.
All that bravery must have used up all your energy. What are you craving?
Can we have a giant burger or maybe some cheesy fries? A giant burger sounds perfect.
You got it, buddy.
Let's go, team. Dinner is on me.
Wonderful, I'm starving. Yay, I'm so hungry.
All right, let's go.
This will be fun. I can't wait.
Good evening. Welcome to Yard House. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with some drinks?
Yes, please. I'll have an iced tea. Emma, what would you like?
I'll have a lemonade, please. And for the little gentleman, a strawberry milkshake, as promised.
With extra whipped cream, please.
You got it. I'll be right back with those. Are you ready to order your food? Or do you need a few more minutes? We're ready. I'll go with the ribeye steak, medium rare, with a side of mashed potatoes. Excellent choice.
I'll have the grilled salmon with asparagus.
Excellent choice, ma'am.
Ben, what about your burger? Can I have the cheeseburger with no onions, please? And lots of fries.
Certainly. A cheeseburger with no onions and extra fries. I'll get that order in for you.
You look like you're about to fall asleep, Ben. It's been a long day.
I'm just waiting for my burger. Vegas is so fun, but my legs are very tired.
You did great today, buddy. From the airport to the gondolas and then conquering the high roller, you're a champion.
He really is.
Let's enjoy this meal, then head back to the hotel for a good night's sleep. Tomorrow we visit the 7 Magic Mountains.
Your orders.
Here's your lemonade, young man.
Wow, thank you.
Enjoy it, buddy.
It's so yummy. I'm glad, sweetie.
Best dinner ever.
Absolutely. This lemonade is so good.
This steak is incredible. How's your fish, honey?
It's delicious, and our little guy is loving his burger. It's yummy, the best dinner ever.
I'm glad. We should do this more often. That was delicious. Excuse me, could we get the check, please? Certainly, sir. Here you are. Thank you. Card, please. Of course. I'll be right back.
Such a lovely dinner. Wow, it's so dark and cool in here, Daddy. It feels like we are inside a sunken ship.
You're right, Ben. Look at the walls. They are designed to look like an ancient temple that sank into the ocean.
Look, we are entering the underwater tunnel. Ben, look up. Oh my God, a huge shark is swimming over us. Look at its teeth. It looks so scary.
That's a sand tiger shark. Even though its teeth look sharp, it's actually quite calm. It's just patrolling its home.
Oh, look over there, Ben. It's a sawfish. Its nose looks like a long saw with teeth on both sides.
Why is the water so blue, Mommy? Are there treasures at the bottom? Maybe. Look at those gold-colored fish swimming near the coral. They look like moving gold coins, don't they? Wow, they do.
Hey, Ben, do you want to see the touch pool? The staff said we can touch real stingrays there.
Can I really? Will they bite my finger?
No, they are very friendly. Just use 2 fingers and pet them gently like a puppy.
Okay, I want to try. I'm the bravest boy in Vegas.
Yes, let's walk through this beautiful aquarium together. Let's go then! This is so much better than just watching TV. Let's go to the most special parts of the aquarium.
Wow, sharks, so cool.
This is amazing.
Welcome to the Shark Reef Aquarium.
Wow, look at all the sharks. Cool, so many fish.
Now for the jellyfish.
They're magic. Whoa, big sharks.
Look straight ahead, everyone. Can you see that giant glowing ball? That is the sphere.
Whoa, it's huge. It looks like a giant eyeball. It's changing. It's the moon. Oh, wow.
It's incredible. The whole outside is covered in millions of LEDs. It's the largest LED screen on Earth.
Let's go inside. I have tickets for the Postcard from Earth experience. Wow, this place is incredible.
It's beautiful. Look at the galaxies. Whoa, it's like space.
It is. Let's go see more.
Great idea. Let's go.
All right, family, let's go inside the sphere.
Yes, let's see the cosmos. Wow, it's huge.
Whoa, look at all the galaxies.
It's incredible.
So cool. Mom, look. This robot is talking to people.
That's Aura, the humanoid robot. She is very smart. Why don't you ask her a question, Ben?
Hi, Aura. Do you like Las Vegas?
Hello, young traveler. I love Las Vegas because it's as bright and energetic as my circuits.
Even the robots here have a sense of humor.
Have a pleasant exploration, family.
Look at the screen. It's so big it goes all the way behind us. I feel like I'm actually outside. Wow, it's huge.
It's incredible.
This feels so real.
Look, everyone! We're in the middle of the desert, but look at those colors.
Wow, they look like giant marshmallows stacked on top of each other. Are they real rocks, Mommy?
Yes, honey, they are giant limestone boulders painted in neon colors. It's a special art project in the middle of the desert.
Standing here makes me realize how much we've seen in just 4 days. From the deep blue of the shark reef to the bright lights of the sphere.
What was your favorite part of the trip, Ben?
I loved the gondola ride and seeing the sharks, but I think being brave on the high roller was the best.
That's my boy. You grew up a lot on this trip.
It's time to head to the airport now. Let's take one last family photo with these colorful mountains.
Goodbye, Las Vegas. See you again soon.